You sleep for 8 hours but wake up tired, foggy, and moody. Ever wondered why? The truth is, your sleep isn't broken. It's being sabotaged. Today, I'll reveal 7 hidden enemies silently destroying your deep sleep and how to fight back, starting tonight. Millions of people feel exhausted even after sleeping well. But real sleep isn't about time in bed. It's about how your brain cycles through deep sleep and REM. When you unknowingly interrupt those cycles, your brain never fully recharges. Here's the truth. Blue light from screens suppresses melatonin. Late caffeine blocks adenosine, your sleep chemical. Warm rooms prevent your body from cooling. No deep sleep. Alcohol and sugar trick your brain into fake relaxation. Noise, small lights, and inconsistent sleep schedules all reset your circadian rhythm. And every time you repeat these habits, your brain stays in alert mode all night long. When your deep sleep is destroyed, your brain can't detox properly. That leads to memory problems, mood swings, anxiety, and even premature aging. Over time, you lose focus, energy, and emotional stability, all because your brain never rests. But you can reverse this, starting tonight. Here's the Dr. Sleep method for restoring deep sleep naturally. Lights off 1 hour before bed. Tell your brain it's nighttime. No caffeine after 5 p.m. Protect your adenosine. Cool room, 18 dig, 65 dig. Trigger your sleep cycle. Breathing 4-7-8 technique. Calm your nervous system. No screens in bed. Your brain associates light with danger. Do this for 7 nights, and your energy, focus, and calmness will transform. If you want to reset your sleep naturally, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. Because tomorrow, I'll share the foods that heal or destroy your sleep quality. Sleep isn't luxury. It's your body's software update. Follow Dr. Sleep, and I'll show you how to upgrade yours.